Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharati Samskrita YouTube channel, where we are studying the Ruchira Prathamo Bhagaha, the CBSE class 6 Sanskrit textbook. In that we now look at the Panchamaha Pathaha, lesson number 5. Vrukshaah means trees. In this video, we look at an English explanation of this chapter along with the grammar part. This is a group of 6 poems. First one. Vane vane nivasanto Vrukshaah vanam vanam rachayanti Vrikshaah. Vane vane nivasanto Vrukshaah vanam vanam rachayanti Vrikshaah. Vane vane, in each forest, nivasantah Vrikshaah, reside trees. Vanam vanam, each forest, rachayanti Vrikshaah, trees build. What is the meaning of this? In each forest reside or live trees, many trees. This is a plural. Vrikshaah is a plural word, so many trees. Trees make up or build each forest, which means each forest is made up of several trees. That is the meaning. Go to the next one. Shakha dolasina vihagaha taih kimapi kujanti Vrikshaah. Shakha dolasina vihagaha taih kimapi kujanti Vrikshaah. Shakha dola asinaha, seated on the swinging branches. Vihagaha, birds. Taihi kimapi, through them something. Kimapi is kim plus api is kimapi. Through them something. Kujanti Vrikshaah, trees chirp. Trees make a chirping or musical note. The meaning is birds are seated on the swinging branches. Through them trees make various chirping musical notes. Next one. Pibanti pavanam jalam santatam sadhujana iva sarve Vrikshaah. Pibanti pavanam jalam santatam sadhujana iva sarve Vrikshaah. Pibanti pavanam jalam, drinking or consuming. Pavanam is air and jalam is water. Santatam, always. Sadhujanaha iva, they are like noble people, good people. Sarve Vrikshaah, all the trees. The meaning is trees always consume air and water. All trees are like noble persons. Next one. Sprashanti padaif patalancha nabhashirassu vahanti Vrikshaah. Sprashanti padaif patalancha nabhashirassu vahanti Vrikshaah. Sprashanti padaihi, they touch by their feet. Pada is the feet. Sprashanti is their touch. Patalam, the lower worlds. Cha nabhashirassu, nabha is the sky. Shirassu, by their heads, and by their heads the sky. Vahanti Vrikshaah, trees carry. What is the meaning? Trees touch the nether worlds, the lower worlds, by their feet, that is the roots, and by their heads, their branches on top, they carry the sky. That is the meaning of this particular shloka. Next one. Payodarpane swapratibhimbam kautukena pashyanti Vrikshaah. Payodarpane swapratibhimbam kautukena pashyanti Vrikshaah. Payodarpane, in the mirror made of water, as in lakes. Swapratibhimbam, their own reflection. Kautukena, with curiosity or with wonder. Pashyanti Vrikshaah, trees look, see. The meaning is trees look at their own reflection with wonder in the mirror made of water, as in lakes, ponds, rivers, etc. Next one. Prasarya swachhaya samstaranam kurvanti satkaram Vrikshaah. Prasarya swachhaya samstaranam kurvanti satkaram Vrikshaah. Prasarya, spreading, having spread, expanded. Swachhaya samstaranam, their own bed made of shade, of the shadow which the tree gives, under the tree. Kurvanti, they do or give. Satkaram Vrikshaah, respect, hospitality, the trees. The meaning is trees give respect, provide hospitality by expanding their own shade or shadow in the form of a comfortable bed. How many times we have slept under a tree in the cool, comfortable shadow of the tree, shade of the tree? That is what is being told here. Now, this chapter has a short grammar portion, but important grammar portion, which we will see now. This is about vibhaktis. From a basic noun like Deva or Rama, we derive various aspects of that same noun. For example, these are shown here, the aspects are shown here. Expressing it as a subject in a sentence, Kartrupada. Expressing it as an object in a sentence, Karmapada. Expressing as an instrument of action, Karana. As a receiver of something, as one from which something is separated. As a possessor of something, as a locus or a location, and as a way of addressing it. These various forms are called as vibhaktis. There are these vibhaktis in Sanskrit. Prathama vibhakti is called nominative case in English. Vibhaktis are called cases in English. Dvitiya vibhakti is called accusative case in English. Tritiya vibhakti is called instrumental case in English. Chaturthi vibhakti is called dative case. Panchami vibhakti is called ablative case. Shashti vibhakti is called possessive or genitive case. Saptami vibhakti is called locative case. Sambodhana prathama vibhakti is called vocative case in English. These are the vibhaktis: Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, and Sambodhana Prathama, sometimes called as just Sambodhana Vibhakti also. We look at three examples. One example in masculine, another in feminine, and third in neuter. The green entries in this particular table are the Vibhakti forms. These entries, these 24 entries in green color letters, you should remember by heart. Let us see what are these. There are 8 rows in this particular table. First row is Prathama, second is Dvitiya, third is Tritiya, fourth is Chaturthi, fifth is Panchami, sixth is Shashti, seventh is Saptami, and eighth is Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. And there are 3 columns. One is for Ekavachanam singular, second is for Dvivachanam dual, and third is for Bahuvachanam plural. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam. Now let us read all these 24 entries. Devaha devau devaha, devam devau devan, devena devabhyam devaihi, devaya devabhyam devebhyah, devat devabhyam devebhyah, devasya devayoho devanam, deve devayoho deveshu, he deva he devau he devaha. These are for the word Deva. Deva is an Akaranta Pullinga Deva Shabda. Akaranta means the Deva word ends in A, Va. Va is V plus A. So, A, Akaranta, it ends in A. It's Pullinga, it is masculine. Now, let us see what these rows, all of these represent. Devaha, Devau, Devaha. Deva, they represent Deva as a subject. One god, one demigod as a subject, Deva, is Devaha. 2 demigods as subject is Devau. 3 or more demigods, many demigods as subject is Devaha. Devam is Deva as an object. 2 Devas as an object is Devau. And 3 or more Devas as objects are Devan. Devena, by, with, through 1 Deva. And by, with, through 2 Devas is Devabhyam. Devaihi is by, with, through many Devas. Devaya is 2 for Deva. Similarly, Devabhyam and Devebhyah. Devat is from Deva. Devabhyam, Devebhyah. Devasya is of Deva or Devas. Devayoho, Devanam. Deve, in, on, at, among. Among many devas is called Deveshu. Among two devas is called Devayoho. In or at or on or among two devas is called Devayoho. In, on, at, among many devas is called Deveshu. Hey Deva. If the Deva is standing in front of us, we address him as Hey Deva. If two gods, two demigods are standing in front of us, we address them as Hey Devau. And if many demigods, 3 or more, are standing in front of us, we address as Hey Devaha. This table of 24 entries, you should get it by heart. This is for Akaranta Pullinga Deva Shabda. In the same way, Akaranta, Lata, is ending in A. Strilinga Shabda, it is a feminine word. Lata Shabda, Vibhakti Rupani, we will see the same table, the same 24 entries, but they are for the Lata Shabda. Lata, feminine. Lata, Late, Lataha. Latam, Late, Lataha. Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabhihi. Latayai, Latabhyam, Latabhyah. Latayaha, Latabhyam, Latabhyah. Latayaha, Latayoho, Latanam. Latayam, Latayoho, Latasu. Helate, Helate, Helataha. These are the 24 entries for the Lata Shabda. Akaranta Strilinga Lata Shabda. Now we look at the Akaranta Napumsakalinga Phala Shabda. Phala means fruit. Lata, the previous one, means creeper. Phalam means fruit. So Napumsakalinga, it is very easy because it depends mostly on the Pullinga. Only the Prathama and Dvitiya are different, others are all similar. Phalam, phale, phalani, phalam, phale, phalani. Sambodhana is He phala, He phale, He phalani. What about Tritiya to Saptami? They are exactly like Pullinga Deva Shabda Vibhakti Rupani. Instead of Deva, you have Phala there. Like this. Phalena phalabhyam phalaihi, phalaya phalabhyam phalebhyah, phalat phalabhyam phalebhyah, phalasya phalayoho phalanam, phale phalayoho phaleshu. So if you remember Deva Shabda, it is very easy to remember Phala Shabda. Only the first 2 rows are different. Phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani. Now I have given you for reference the Rama Shabda also. There is a slight difference between Deva Shabda. I will tell you where. Ramah Ramau Ramah, Ramam Ramau Raman, Ramena Ramabhyam Ramihi, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah, Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah, Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam, Rame Ramayoho Rameshu, He Rama He Ramau He Ramah. The difference is in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana. In Deva it was Devena, whereas in Rama it is Ramena. And in Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachana, Deva it was Devanam. Here it is Ramanam. Rama is an Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabda. One important thing I will tell you, you have to memorize these Vibhakti tables given here. You should be able to repeat these forms even if I come and ask you in your dreams. You can download printable version of these slides at the link given in the description below. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Panchamaha Pathaha Vrukshah. The lesson part we have completed. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video with the exercises part of this particular lesson. YouTube, Amarabharati Samskrita, Shubham Bhuyat, Mangalamastu, Vande Mataram, Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.